I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to remove the background of a video that doesn't have a green screen, because usually the ones with the green screen with the green behind around the main subject is really easy to remove. But I'm going to show you how you can remove the background for a video that doesn't have a green screen. So what you have to do, here I'm just going to import this video. It doesn't have any green screen, as you can see. So yeah, how you do it? Well, what you can do here, you can see here background BG. If you click on this, you have a chroma key or auto. If you have a chroma key, this is great if you want to with the green screen, you click on that and increase intensity, but it's not doing a good job for us. And here, as you see, is not doing a good job, this option, which is not a good option in of itself. Actually, it is a good option, but it's not a good option for this case. So let's just uncheck this and let's go to auto removal, processing, and let's see how it does. And this is actually the result. Now, it's not perfect, that's for sure. Can also remove this. You can try with chroma key, as I said, but it can work, it cannot, because it has the same color. You see, it has. If it didn't, then it will work. But for my example, for this example, it doesn't really work. But yeah, I think this is what you have here, and you can control copy this and move this on top, and then you remove the auto background and you can work a little bit with this. So let's say for this one on top, you have this video, you remove this, you go to adjust and you change the color. Something like this, and now you can right click, create a compound, and then from here you can change this to this color if you want to, like this. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Actually, let me show a different example for a different video. Okay, and here I can grab now this video here, and I can click on, again, remove background, auto removal, and see the result for this video. And now, as you can see, we have a way better result, and that's because, as I think I already mentioned this, but here we have a different chromatic, different colors. This is more white here, and now we have a totally different color here. Even with this one, I think it should work, but not that well, because we have here another other colors there. But as you can see, it's quite interesting, to say the least. But yeah, best option is this one. And you can also add some offset, some outline, which is really nice. You can set the size from here, opacity. Quite bad that you can't change the blur. But yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.